The Wolfpack needs a hero. Nevada's offense stalled out at 13 points last week, and the defense couldn't hold on down the stretch in a 14-13 home loss to Middle Tennessee. The Pack held a 13-0 lead going into the fourth quarter. Nevada had multiple chances on offense to put the game out of reach, but they could not. Even with the loss, the Pack defense has allowed only 14 points in their last 6 quarters of football. Even in the loss, Nevada's challenges are not insurmountable. But at Western Kentucky, the Wolfpack waits for a playmaker to emerge on offense. The Hilltoppers have a playmaker. Quarterback Maverick McIver has thrown 10 touchdown passes and only 1 interception through 3 games. He's 59 yards shy of 1,000 yards passing already. But Western Kentucky is looking to bounce back from a loss as well. Following their 45-21 trouncing at Toledo on September 6th, Western Kentucky has enjoyed a bye week. They are rested and ready for Nevada. The Hilltoppers have their hero. Nevada needs to slow down Maverick McIver and find a hero of their own as 10-point underdogs on the road. Welcome to Week 4. Nevada at Western Kentucky.